My name is Shahab. I'm Deputy Chairman at Robotica Oslo. It's the student community. It's a student community at University of Oslo, and I'm also a master's student at Department of Informatics. I'm here to give you an introduction to rapid prototyping. What is actually rapid prototyping? Rapid prototyping is a method that is about building real-world model out of some ideas you have and check if it actually works or not. You don't need to worry. It's not the actual nerd concept, as everyone once in their life they actually have done it. Birdhouse. Let's say in a kindergarten, children want to have a birdhouse. They grab a box, put a hole in it, throw some food. Check if they can actually attract any birds in their garden. As long as they've attracted the birds, then they can start using time on it. Or software engineering, same thing. Microsoft development from a text-based system up to Windows 7. That is the most advanced system we have. They all went through rapid prototyping, and it's the same about everything else. Industry, electric car. They designed a car, they made a rapid prototype that looks ugly, but it still works. So they test it, if it passes, then they make a mass production out of it. If not, it's a dead project. But good thing that one of our friends here talked about 3D printing. 3D printing is to print out a real-world model out of some designs in CAD programs. For example, the one here, that has been designed in a CAD program at University of Oslo, and it's printed. Mostly it's used in engineering parts, engineering work. Engineering work, they just design the parts, they actually print what they have designed, they test it together, and they see if it actually fits and works. But it's not just for engineering. Even artists use it. Artists, they can design their design in a 3D program, then they print it, and they can get it out there. Or even looking for science fiction, they're talking about actually printing organs, biological ones. Well, these were all beyond our reaches. But they're talking about something now, they actually have built it. It's a RepRap. On your desktop, you can start rapid prototyping. Something similar to what our friend talked about, actually. It's an open source hardware. It means you can have access to all the documentation and blueprints. You can get the community to help you, and here you can see that it tries to actually print one plastic part. Yeah. Back to reality in Oslo. Where I belong to, Robotica Oslo, it's a place that students actually put their ideas about things into projects, and they use this method to make robots or other intelligent systems. Let's have a look at some of our projects. What I try to create an example here is Supercrawler. You can see an early pencil drawing from a bored student in a class that actually drew something and shared with some friends. They liked it and they said, let's build it. Well, they started using time on it and they came up with some 3D design. Early, ugly, but still, they were on the way. So, they were on the way to try to actually start using the technologies that they needed. GPS, Wi-Fi, video streaming, and they needed to test all those. So, they just took a radio control toy car. They used it, they tested the actual technologies that they used. It worked. They go to the next level. And the next level for them was that their naive ideas faced reality. The very, maybe you can call it stupid pencil drawing, changed into this one. It's still under construction. We're going to print it out with our 3D printer, and we're going to assemble it together. What is very important about our projects at Robotica is that everything is open. You can access all of our projects, to the codes, to the pictures, to all of our challenges and how did we solve it, and even to the videos of our tests. But we got more. Laser room. Everyone has seen Mission Impossible, and there came our inspiration. We made a game for the students' parties, and they have to go through this laser-protected room and win a prize at that. We got still more, a lot of cool stuffs like RepRap, Hexapod, Kinect, use it on our robots, a climbing robot, and the last but not the least, our software projects that are other intelligent systems. Well, if you're interested in what I talked today, you can always follow our Twitter, Facebook, or our website. We have our own lab, we got projects going, they are on our website, and we got lectures and workshops. It's robotica.no, so just feel free to visit the website and follow us. Thank you for your time. If there would be any question, I would be available after the other presentations. Thank you.